Well, welcome back for another update. I just want to tell you about what's going on right now. So we're going to take a look at the charts and we're going to look and see what I'm seeing. So I might have to retake on this. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, so what I want to look at is just the full picture on Litecoin. This is way back in 2014 right here, and this is now, and as you can see, this is a very slow decline. We'll zoom in on this, but over here, this is like the fastest decline ever, probably in the history of Litecoin, or any crypto for that matter. But anyway, this market cycle is very fast this time on its bear run. But anyway, what I want to point out is the stochastic chart. We were down here at this reading down here is at 32 oversold, and we are really close to 32 oversold, that matching line right there. We're very close. So once we hit that, we're looking at bouncing back. So it's going to drop a little bit more. And this is looking at Litecoin. Bitcoin analysis is slightly. We're going to look at some other things here in a little while. And we could possibly go, we're right now sitting right at about $50, but we could possibly go down to a little bit more, maybe to $40, somewhere in there. But it's just buy range right now, and it's time to get in. $10 is not really a whole lot. I mean, it's a good amount, but it's time to start cost averaging in, I'll say. Over on the weekly, we're looking at the weekly chart on the MACD. Once we start touching on these two lines, there's a high and a low. Once it touches and it inverts, that's going to be the start of the bull cycle. And you can see we've kind of leveled out. Now that's usually where buying starts, is right when it just starts to not go down anymore. It's now kind of a level, but it's getting ready to go up. So it is so close. So, and when I say so close, it could mean a week to 3 weeks. I would say by the end of the month, this thing's going to close up. And it's typical in the crypto markets that October is usually a boom cycle, a good bull cycle. So that's when it starts. So this is really timing out nicely to be on October is when we can expect some large gains. But if you're just skeptical and you're going to wait on this thing and think you're going to wait till it goes up, this thing is going to shoot up so fast, because essentially what we're looking at, if we do go up in October, we got to get up to these highs right up in here. And this is looking like just right here. This is dated the middle of January, or no, the first week ending January, right where I've got this line. If we're going to go all the way up back there from here, now there also has to be some sort of a catalyst. Is money going to be flowing out of other markets into the cryptocurrency market? That is a good catalyst. And so is there something in the big picture of things in the financial world that could happen to be a catalyst that would drive all that money back into Bitcoin? Currently the dollar is strong right now, so there has to be some sort of catalyst for this to take place. So the money has to come from somewhere, and it has to come from somewhere that's not doing good. So what might that be? Anyway, these are the projections that I have so far. I just wanted to share that. Let me know what you think. Give me a call, text, give me a ring. Thanks.